Hello students, welcome to Easy Engineering. In this video, I am going to explain you the mechanical rotational system related tutorial problem. So students, those doesn't see the introduction part may complete the mechanical rotational system introduction, then back to the tutorial related problem. The link for mechanical rotational system introduction is given in this video description. So all the references taken from Control System Engineering by Nagurkani RBA publication book. And thanks for the author who gave a wonderful explanation for an engineering students. And back to, so before entering to the tutorial problem side, you just aware of the things about the procedures and the Laplace transform of angular displacement and Laplace transform of angular velocity and Laplace transform of angular acceleration. So theta Laplace transform given as theta of s, angular velocity as d theta by dt r s into theta s, d square theta by dt square Laplace is s square into theta of s with a zero initial condition. Now coming to the example 1. So before entering, you just refresh the point how far the mass in translational system. Here moment of inertia J and K plays the same role and B plays the same role. Instead force in translational system we represent here as a torque. Instead displacement x in a translational system, here theta. So find the problem. So according to the problem given, write the differential equation governing mechanical rotational system and find the transfer function. I already told you. So while solving the problem, you go through the diagram first. See here, two moment of inertia. So there are two free body diagram we need to draw. Here one torque. This J1 is connected in between two elements and K also connected between two elements and J2 also connected between two elements. B connected between J2 and reference point. Okay. So we are asked to find the transfer function. Now the input given here is torque, output what we got is an angular rotation. So here the required transfer function is theta of s by t of s. So 2 J1 J2, so we need to draw two free body diagram. Coming back to free body diagram of mass with moment of inertia J1. So what are all the torque involved? Here applied torque T, then angular acceleration theta 1, then two opposing torques of moment of inertia J1 and K. So applied torque equal to opposing torque. So applied torque T equal to opposing torque T, torque at J1 and torque at K. Then according to Newton's law, we are going to apply the things. Applied torque T, then opposing torque at J1 d square theta 1 by dt square. Then K is a spring connected between spring connected between two angular displacement. So by referring J1, it is a difference between theta 1 minus theta. While making a simplification, J1 d square theta 1 by dt square, then here K theta 1 minus K theta equal to 1. While taking a Laplace transform, it becomes J1 s square into theta 1 of s, K theta 1 of s, K theta of s equal to T of s. By taking all the theta 1 terms and theta of s terms. Why? Because we need only theta of s by T of s. So we won't need an theta 1 of s. So find theta 1 of s and substitute the same as per the procedure. Let it be some equation number 1 and 2. Now draw the free body diagram for J2. So before that, you just again refresh J2. In a J2, what are all the elements involved or connected with, what are all the torques connected with J2? Its own opposing torque J2, then torque of K, because K is connected between J2 and J1. So now it becomes K of theta minus theta 1. Then here B is connected. B connected in between J2 and reference. So here we have to draw the free body diagram by considering torque at J2, torque at K, torque at B. So the same thing, here we have drawn the free body diagram. As J2 torque, B torque, K torque. So torque at J2 equal to J2 d square theta by dt square. Torque at B is B d theta by dt. K is an element between theta minus theta 1. So opposing torque equal to applied torque. Here no applied torque, so it is 0. Then opposing torques are 3 torques. So we get an equation J2 d square theta by dt, B d theta by dt, K into theta minus theta 1, so expand the same, which is equal to 0. By taking Laplace transform with a 0 initial condition, we get an expression J2 s square theta of s plus bs theta s plus k theta of s minus K theta 1 of s equal to 0. From this mere simplification, theta 1 of s is equal to j2s2 square plus bs plus k divided by k into theta of s. See students, listen carefully why we make it as a theta 1 of s, because in a transfer function we need only theta of s by t of s only. So here we found theta 1 of s in terms of theta of s. Now substitute, treat it as equation number 3. Now substitute theta and 1 of s in third equation, in second equation. Mere substitution and simplification. So here we get theta of s by t of s equal to k by j1 s square plus k into j2 s square plus bs plus k minus k square. Mere simplification. So after completing the same, you have to make an results. What we got as a result is the differential equations governing the system by drawing a free body diagram for two moment of inertia j1 and j2 and the transfer function. So this is the way you have to solve the rotational system problem. This is tutorial number 1. Students, you go through it and do the problem and go with an exercise problem which is given in a material. Now you just do the problem. Second one, write the differential equation governing the mechanical rotational system below and determine the transfer function. As usual, it's a transfer function theta of s by t of s. So write it down the question and do exercise this problem. Okay students, in this video I will complete mechanical rotational system tutorial problem 1 model and similarly the next model. Fine. Thank you students.